So I gotta share my latest kitchen wizard, the Ninja Twist Blender Duo. Trust me, you'll want one of these ASAP. Picture this. You're running late on Monday morning, but you still want to eat healthy. I just tossed some spinach, banana, and almond milk into this bad boy, hit the smoothie function, and boom, instant nutritious goodness. No more guesswork thanks to Auto IQ technology. Seriously, it's like having a personal drink chef. Oh, and weekend brunches, game changer. The twist tamper and high-speed blades mean I can go from chunky salsa ingredients to the creamiest homemade spreads or silky bowls in seconds. Imagine whipping up a thick, frothy hot chocolate without stopping to stir. It's magic. And for my frosty friends, the frozen drinks function is lit. Perfect margaritas and smoothies in one click. Last Friday, I impressed everyone with my mango lassi, and it was so easy. Trust me, you'll love it.